So here's a tutorial on how to edit this video. First, start by editing the videos you want to include in your final video. Here are the settings you need to follow to give your videos an aesthetic look. Then open the VN app and start a new project. Select all the videos you want to include. Then adjust the duration of the videos to be not more than 1.5 seconds. After you have finished adjusting the duration, export the video in the resolution as shown here. After exporting, start a new project and select a black photo. Then select this overlay option and add the video that we exported earlier. Now crop the video in 1:1 ratio. Then resize the video. You can increase or decrease the size as per your preference. Then go to mask and select the rectangle option. Then you need to adjust the size of the videos to fit in the frame as shown here. Then select this radius icon and you can adjust the corners of the video. You can keep it as round as you want. Adjust the length of the photo to match the duration of your video. Then select music and sound effects, machine, and in it select the keyboard 02 sound. Now cut the sound to 1.5 seconds as we are going to use it for 1.5 seconds only. You can adjust the length based on the text you are going to add. After you have added the sound, export your video in the resolution shown here. Now go to the Instagram app and start a new reel. Select the video and add your favorite music. Then in the Reels editing section, go to the volume option and keep your camera audio and music both on 60 volume. Then add a text or quote and change its color. Go to animation and select typewriter and adjust the text on your video. And that's it. Our video is done.